starting on. Hello everyone, we are back. I'm literally recording you in my vlog, so just give me a second. Alright, boys, we'll be back. I am right now going to see the analysis. I'm gonna check the chart and we'll look into it. Are we going to take the trade? 99.99999% we're not going to take the trade, of course, because um, as per the data, whenever I take trade on Monday, we very high chance that we do the losses. But in Wednesday, we do intend to do the profit. So on Wednesday there is a Euro JPY trade is coming. So that is the reason I am very much interested in taking that trade. Signing off. We'll be back. Also, I have to upload the video. I have to do a lot of things. Signing off. Why in the world? I just closed this vlog thing. Wait, why? In the damn flying fucking world, this is not working. The net should work. Yeah. Alright, alright. Euro USD. Huh? I'm not going to take the trade. I'm just going to see, just going to monitor. I'm not interested to take this trade. You know why? Because as per the data, I wish the actual push comes on Wednesday. So Monday and Tuesday is just taking the stop losses, nothing more. I don't like this. I mean, I if I were the older Udesh, I would definitely take this trade right away. Like this looks beautiful. um, yeah, this looks so brilliantly beautiful. I will definitely take this trade out here, but that time is 9:15. We'll wait for 10:30. Hold on. Something is coming. Nah, I was about to sneeze. I'm going to get tan for sure. I hope I should not. Because I'm sitting beside the sun because of the distraction and the home environment is about sleepy. That is the reason I don't want to get sleep. I want the productive time. So that is the reason I've came on terrace to just do this. So here we go. Look at this. 15 minutes is also creating the higher high, this create a higher high, and at 10:30 we create the lower low. So I will to be honest, I would end up taking the trade older Uddish version, and look, the older Uddish version is going to do the losses. Very high chance of doing the losses, because now this stop loss is going to be this structure. We'll add one more pip in that. Wait a minute. That's 22.2. That's 1023.2. When there is so much sun rays, I can able to feel. Really, I can able to feel. Now technically we don't. Do we really have the take profit? As per the data, if the take profit is making sense above 1.7, yeah, or 1 is to 1.7, or it would end up taking 1 is to 2. So pretty much as per the if this trade were came on the Wednesday, I would definitely take this trade. But now I'm more experienced. I'm more coming out with a very great information, very great information. You won't believe. Just the thing is, I'm totally dependent on Euro JPY, and Euro JPY is doing the things which I really wanted. I want this candlestick to close on this candle, then doji candle, and then push to the downside. On Wednesday, we'll be having a trade on this. This trade will be the brilliant trade. If we got what we want, we will be taking what we got going to take. Once this candlestick is going to close above this candle, it is going to blast like anything. So Euro JPY is going to have go up. So there is very high chance that Euro USD is also going to go up. But I'm not going to take the trade. I have decided, because I have decided myself that I'm going to just only going to take only in one trade, only and only one trade, one high probable setup. And if I'm going to take the most high probable setup, I will take the most high probable setup. This right there is pretty much weekly have created the new structure. The daily must, I mean, the price must continue to go up, but the risk reward ratio, the take profit, the reaction is going to come from here is also making sense. But the timing, again, as per the back testing, I mean, as per the data, whenever I am taking a trade on Monday, I tend to do the loss. Whenever I'm taking a trade on Wednesday, I tend to do profit. The exact same trade, exact same setup, just the timing. Now look at this. I just want to prove you that if I'm going to take this trade, there is very high chances it will be end up doing losses. We haven't took any trade. We just keep a risk reward ratio tool over here to see that are if we take this trade, are we going to do the loss or are we going to do the profit? And technically, I will end up taking this trade for sure 100% if I was an older trader. But now I'm not going to take this trade right now. At least for now. At least for now. I have to do the all the backtesting of December, January, February today. I'm so in the fire right now if you won't even believe. So this is what it is. On the Euro JPY, I am waiting for the again. I just want to recap candlestick closure on the area of interest. The next Tuesday is going to be a doji candlesticks, and then I will be taking the trade on Wednesday. Odd NZD, I am waiting for the candlestick closures on the area of interest. Then we need the doji candle. Then we'll be able to push to the upside. Man, there is so much sun, so much. And I have wore the black. It is already going to attract. My pant is black. My shirt is black. So this color, this t-shirt and pant color is going to attract more and more sun. I usually have done the mistake to wear this, but it is what it is. Come on, man. I don't care. I do care, but it is what it is. Look at this. If okay, I have to make sure I have to get ready for whatever is going to happen. Okay. First of all, I haven't took this trade. Okay. Why? Because there is very high chances that we will be hitting our stop loss rather than hitting our take profit. Second thing, I have to prepare my mind that if I hit my now I haven't took this trade. I'm just pretending I'm taking this trade. Pretending and taking is so different thing. I'm just pretending that what if I have taken this trade, what the outcome will be. So I haven't took this trade, and if this trade hit the stop loss, I will be completely okay. And if this trade is going to hit the take profit level, I will be completely okay because I will be missing a lot of dollars on there. Okay, I have to tell to myself, okay, that it's completely okay. If I'm missing this trade, if I'm missing the profit, I'm okay. If I'm missing the loss, I'm also okay. But it is what it is. Signing off, brother. Let's go. Let's come back. What happens? Are we going to? Is this does this trade is going to play out, or are we going to hit our stop loss? Again, I haven't took this trade. We are pretending that we are going to take this trade. Pretending, but the very high chances that I am going to take Euro JPY trade to the downside on Wednesday. So we'll come back. We'll look into it. What happens? Also, GBP USD is also good than Euro USD, where this have created the engulfing candle on the daily basis, but the structure, the risk reward ratio, it is like, man, this looks like a brilliant. Fuck, this looks brilliant. I should take this trade, but my hands is like, my hand is like a lock. I'm, I know what is going to happen. Okay, we'll also keep the risk reward ratio tool on this. Okay, like, wait a minute, this is beautiful. We'll also keep the risk reward ratio tool when we will be taking this trade, when 30-minute will get bullish. Wait a minute. 30-minute got bullish right there, and here we go. Yeah, 30-minute got bullish. How about 15-minute is, yeah, that time 15-minute was also bullish. Alright, brother, it does make sense. Where is the stop loss is going to be? Now look at this. Look at this. Hello. The stop loss is going to be technically this. Let me check about 30 minutes. This is, yeah, exactly will be hitting our stop loss if we're keeping this. So our stop loss is this 6.4. We'll be adding 1 pip in that 6.4, 7.4. Look at this. We'll be hitting our stop loss because of our stop loss is not hit technically, but just because of spread will be hitting our stop loss for sure. And the risk reward ratio is awesome. Oh man, this risk reward ratio is beautifully true. Fuck. Again, I'm okay if I'm going to miss this trade because I'm not here to take all the trades now. I'm here to take the only and only high probability trade. Wait, I thought I've closed this. Fuck. I was like, holy shit, this recording is on. Also, this is, yeah. This looks brilliant, man. This looks like a wow in the damn flying fucking world. Fuck. This looks like solid. Look at that. It also created a structure. Liquidity grab, close. The fuck. I am. I mean, look at this. It is a trade. This is a trade, brother. This right there is a trade, but oh my god, look at this. This is a beautiful trade. Like, look at this. This right there is a trade. I am not gonna lie. Okay, okay, okay. Wait. When the setup came? 12:30. Oh. Oh man. Ah man. Crushing that. I no shit. You know, this is GTA Vice City or GTA San style. Look at this. Like, okay. I have to be prepared for myself. If this is a trade, there is a very high chances. I'm telling to myself, I'm telling you and also myself, both ways. This is a trade where we haven't took the trade. We are pretending that what if, what if we took this trade, what the outcome will be. So what if we took the trade and it hit the stop loss, which technically does just because of 1 pip. We, I don't know, man. I will definitely hit the stop loss, but still will end the trade. Let's pretend that that spread was zero and blah blah, which is impossible. But still, we're doing this. If we are if we are hitting the stop loss, I will be completely okay. If I'm hitting the take profit, if a stop loss got hit, I will be completely okay. If because I will be missing a lot more money. I mean, I will be avoiding the loss over here. And if the take profit hits, I will be missing a lot more money. Like we are going to risk almost $288 to take to 5 at 10. Almost $1,000 will be missing over here. But I'm completely okay. I am completely okay. I'm not here to take every single trade. I'm here to take the only and only high probability trade. Yeah, it will be cool if whatever prediction is there is worked. That will be super cool because I am again getting back for my predicting analysis. Awesome. But I am not going to take the trade on Monday because nope. If we miss the miss the profit, I'm completely okay. We just wanted to take the trade on Euro JPY. That's it. Oh, look at that. Look at like whatever I'm saying, it is happening on the perfection on Euro JPY. Euro USD. Look at this. It's coming below. I'm I'm just going to take the trade on Euro JPY. Rest it just I am looking into. Okay. Look at this. It's GBP USD. Again, I have to be okay if I am going to miss the profit or also if I'm going to miss the loss. GBP CAD waiting for daily to get bullish. This is also good trade. Once the candlestick closes above this candle, it will be bullish, and then we'll be waiting for the retracement to take the trade. This is also going to come on Tuesday, but I'm not interested. Only Euro JPY is my interest. GJ is also looking good, but rather taking trade on GJ. I mean, yeah, rather taking trade on GJ, I will take the trade on Euro JPY. Look at that. Whatever I'm saying, it is happening to the perfect, and this is what I want. Whatever I'm saying, that is happening to the perfection. That means whatever, when I take the trade, whatever I am saying, it is going to happen, right? That is what I want is hit to my fucking take profit. It's going to happen to the perfection. Look at this. Alright, one more thing is, okay, so one more thing is, why in the world I'm like, see, I'm explaining to you, that means I'm also explaining to me, I'm also explaining to my psychology to be calm. Why I'm thinking that Euro USD is a not good trade, because it is bit, the risk reward ratio is so tighter like anything, so tighter like anything, not good. Also, we on a daily basis we don't have the current area of interest. No, not a good thing. Okay, also on a weekly we are so up above of the current area of interest. Yeah, there is true that on previously we were came and it was looking good, but that was a previous area of interest, that a 2021 area of interest. Right now I need the trade which is high probable on the current area of interest. I don't want to take any trade which is low probable. But in Euro JPY, look at this. For weekly shifted bearish, we are so on a top like anything. It needs a retracement. It is going to come down. That is the reason also daily get bearish. It will be having the daily EMA and also risk reward ratio. Look at this. If we keeping the stop loss right there, we'll be having 1:5. Technical stop loss is going to be so close that we'll be getting almost 1:10 or something like that. If now we are risking $288 in a per trade, we'll be getting almost 2 tens at 20, almost $2,000 the profit will be. This makes more sense than taking this 1:2. If I only have one chance to take the trade, should I take the trade which is having limitation for just making $400, or I will take the trade which is having a potential to make $2,000? And that $2,000 trade makes more sense than taking this $400 profit trade. I will definitely take two, because even if my stop loss is big, I will still be making a lot more money. Over here, not over. Look at this. Look at this. Look at the downfall. Oh shit! Look at that. We are avoiding the losses. Fucker. Look at this. That is what I'm saying. That is what I'm saying. I'm more happy because I'm avoiding the loss. I'm more happy because we are doing the thing which we wanted to do. I'm like happiest person ever. On GBP USD, oh look at this. Do we hit our stop loss? Oh fuck. Do we? About to hit. About to hit. Look at that. Oh we do. Oh we no. That is a liquidity. I don't care, brother. Look at this. This is also like a sideways. This is also like cap. This is a GPU. I just don't like. You know what? We are just going to look into this all of the trades, but I'm just going to take the trade on Euro JPY. That is because I only have one chance. I only have one bullet in my gun. I have to wait for my perfect setup to get found. Else, that one bullet will get wasted. I only have one chance. I will do every possible way to get that chance. That's it. So Euro JPY is only the thing. Also, you can say GBP/USD. Why not GBP/USD? GBP/USD also having a good risk reward ratio. Also, we are getting the trade. But brother, brother, look at this. Where are we? Like, look at the sideways zone. Look at this. Take profit is capped over there. Like, the reject reaction is going to come pretty soon. I am not saying that it is not going to go up. I'm saying that it is going to go up, but it is going to be more complicated, more not a good thing. Like, this is also a bit sideways. This is also not that probable. I'm like, nah. That is the reason I'm discarding, because it still looks good, but I have to keep the money on table to take the high probable sector, that is Euro JPY. Even I can take the trade from here to here, literally. For daily, I mean for 1 hour, got bullish. Literally, I can buy over here and keep the stop loss right there, exactly, and have the 1:2 right there, 1:3 literally. Because it is going to come up. I know what is going to happen. That is a very best thing, and I'm not going to teach to anyone this thing. Fuck, phone. Mama. Hello. हाँ 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 लगेच आलो. बरं बरं ठीक आहे चालू आलो ओके ओके बाय. I have to go, signing off. That's all I can say. Hello everyone, look at this. Whatever I said, oh my goodness, it looks so brilliant for buying. But I'm not going to buy. But I'm not here to make money, brother. I'm here just to predict. I'm here to make money in Euro JPY, which is happening to the perfection. Look at this. This thing is also, I have predict that it is going to go up. Look at that. Even if I could take this trade, I could easily make 38,000 over here. Easily end up being in zero over here. And on GBP USD, easily would about $100 But no, this is not consistent. We need the consistency. And what I have learned from the experience from now, consistency is more better, more greater than how much you make. Look at this. So now I'm just going to start doing the back testing. Let's start. Signing off. I am also uploading the videos on the YouTube. It is also ongoing. Signing off. Let's do it. Hello everyone. Welcome back. We are shaking. I mean, I just wanted to, whenever I'm opening this trading view, I really want to get shooted, video shooted, whatever it is, because I want to make sure, I want to be disciplined, and being in the camera is more disciplined, because, and if I haven't been disciplined, every single thing get recorded, so I can shoot, I can see what goes wrong in future by looking this video. Look at this. We haven't took this trip, man. This still is bullshit lines. This thing never works. I don't know. We haven't took this trade. I'm just pretending that have we took this trade. What if we took this trade? And look at this. This is heading towards stop loss. On the other hand, Euro JPY is must be closing over here. Must. Then we can able to take the trade, and looks like that it is having a retracement. It's a New York session is going to be open after 1 hour, so it's just pulling up. I see. I haven't taken zero. I have took zero trade. The Pratik is अयो ते पण रेकॉर्ड होईल वाटतं भांडणं. Why people fight? I don't know. So this is
Elon Musk.
सर तुमची टेस्ला पंक्चर झाली, काढून देता का? So look at this. I am waiting for the retracement and probably there's so very high chances that the retracement is going to come. हा आहे ना, असंच वरती करायचं. नंतर मग कसं गुलाबी, ओके गुलाबी गुलाबी हा, टार्गेट इज गुलाबी. Alright boys, waiting for the daily candlestick closure, waiting for rejection. कोणाला आणू ना, झोपलेत ना. उठा what? असं उठू का? So we're waiting for the daily candlestick closure on this area of interest. Never happens. GBP USD, look at this, look at this. Ohenki desu ka? येते की नाही मला जॅपनीज, काहीतरी बरोबर जॅपनीजमध्ये बोल बरं. आय लव ट्रेडिंग व्यू असं म्हण बरं जॅपनीजमध्ये. म्हणतो का पोरा. Listen. So this looks beautiful, man. This is going to go up. I know, but I'm not going to take this trade. Look at that. Look at that. It's beautiful, beautiful trade, and I'm not gonna lie. This looks so brilliant. But I'm not going to take this trade at all. My only trade is Euro JPY, which is looking good, cooking technically. I mean, yeah, this is also why in the world I have put the lines for no reason. No reason. This looks so brilliant than whatever it is, but the take profit things and whatnot, I'm just turn off with this. Even if I could take this trade, I would be up about like 1:2 when the price comes here. I'm not going to take this trade for sure. I'm a word of man. If I say that has to happen, ते लाव ना, ते जॅपनीज मधलं नाही का आपण यूट्यूबला लावलं होतं ओलावर, ते म्हणतंय ना मला. We are not beautiful. We are now beautiful or we are not beautiful. काय ते? If I were the older version, I would easily take this trade, and once this profit done, I will risk that profit over here. See, I need a candlestick closure, okay? GBUSD doing the things. I am wanting this to hit this red box, the stop loss. Now we are having the accumulation. We'll be having the liquidity grab when the New York is going to get open. Where the stop loss is going to get it. I'm not in this trade, but pretending we took this trade. Fashion show. I'm waiting for the daily candlestick closure above on GBP GBJPY. I'm waiting for the daily candlestick closure, but my main goal is Euro JPY. We are now beautiful. We are already beautiful now. So this is what it is. What is the update? Am I regret that it is going to be hitting the stop loss? I mean, I'm still not in the trade. But it's music मस्त आवाज आहे ना असं एवढं बोरिंग सारखं ना. त्याचं एक गाणं आहे ना का, यंग डम अँड ग्रोथ. यंग डम ग्रो, असलं बोर गाणं आहे बघायचं का. थांब तू ना तुला डिसबस्क्राईब करशील. डिसबस्क्राईब अनसबस्क्राईब
माणूस बोलतोय का?
हो तुला काय नाव असलं गाणं आहे भाई ते बघा.
प्रोफेशनल ऑप्शन ट्रेडर्स बनते हैं डेटा और रिसर्च की मदद से. व्हाट्सएप इंडिया का सबसे एडवांस ऑप्शन
बघा बघा आता बघा
Attention students, each and every one of you.
म्युझिक भारी पण ते जरा आवाजाने एकदम फिलिंग यंग डम अँड ब्रोक मल्को लो बरं थांब काय
आम्हाला सोडायला चल ना.
का बरं
चल ना. वाटलंच तर प्रतीकला घे. ती एक गाडी आहे ना, मनूची गाडी आहे का प्रतीक? का नाही?
प्रतीक का बघावं लागेल
तर असं तू विचार त्याला येता सांगता.
हां
म्हणजे मग तुझी गाडी आहे, तुझ्या गाडीवर आम्ही येतो आणि ती मनूची गाडी तो घेईन मग येताना सोबत यायला तुम्ही.
बर
विचार आणि ये खाली.
कधी जायचं उद्या
नाही जायचंय लगेच.
लगेच
15 मिनिटात जाऊ. हा.
मग निघायच्या वेळेस फोन लाव
हो. विचार त्याला.
हा,
हा.
निघाय हॅलो हॅलो
हा.
निघायच्या वेळेस फोन लाव
त्याला विचारता आहे का तो?
थांब विचारतो आहे का तू हाय
चालेल
आहे.
जाऊ 15 मिनिटात.
मला निघायच्या वेळेस फोन लाव बाय
हा.
त्यामुळं मी घरात बसलो नाही सगळे सगळे फुल ढेरी ओपन करून झोपले त्यामुळं हा
हा कोण
मल्को
कोमलचा नाही, हा कोण होता पण बोलत?
हा गोलू
सांग ना नीट.
करत ना युवान
कोण आणू का तुझी असे?
अरे करत ना
अरे करत
ना पोरा
कोणाचा आवाज होता?
अरे भाई कुठं पॉज झालाय वय कुठं पॉज झालं बघ हे.
आवाज कोणाचा होता?
युवान
ती कोमल बोलत होती का?
कोमल बोलत होती ना
झोपेतला आवाज येतो.
अरे तेच तर सगळे घरातले झोपलेत आणि मी जर तिथं बसलो असतो ना
कोण आहे तू?
मी पण 100% झोपलो असतो, म्हणून वरती आलो कारण आय डोंट वॉन्ट स्लीप आय एम ब्रोक आय एम यंग मॅन ब्रोक आय कांट स्लीप आवडलं मला लास्ट गाणं एक नंबर आहे.
त्याच्यात तर आहेत.
ओ लुक एट दिस I avoided loss to the perfection. This is what I'm talking about.
चावायला problem.
This is what I'm talking about. This is. Hey Doraemon, दोन चाय. दोन चाय एक समोसा. तू काय घेणार? वडापाव अजून नाही का?
मी घेतला असतं पण त्याला कुठं
बरं,
सांगणार?
जाऊ दे,
ते
जाऊ.
तो काय
ए दोन चाय दोन वडापाव. लवकर लवकर लवकर
अयो.
लवकर. नाही नाही
असं मला असं आवडलं की
Oh.
असं घासून नको करू.
नाही, मी कुठं सांग
नाही माझ्या भावासमोर बोललास ना, माझ्या भावाने आता 2-3 फटके आणले असते.
बाबू
फक्त ना मग
नाही खरंच आणले असते तू माझ्या भावाने 2-3 फटके.
मग
मी काय बोललो नसतं पण माझ्या भावाने ऐकलं असं तू आता खाली पाडला असतो चक्कर.
चक्क पण फटके मारल्यावर चक्कर कसं काय लागल ना.
अरे पण तुला काय गरज आहे? कशाला मला काय म्हणतो? मी तर काय म्हणतो का तुला चांगलं आहे नाही तुला बोलायला येतंय कारण तुम्हाला हे असं करतो.
बरोबर आहे. जाऊन दे माझ्याशी बोल.
जाऊ दे
असं कुठे असतं?
आज कुठे असतं
माझ्याशी बोल.
जाऊ दे.
मोबाईल आहे आपला कसं.
तुझं आपलं काय म्हणजे काय तोंडाने काही पण बोलायचं.
बरं कधी होणार चाय सांग ना.
ते लावले. एवढे हे नाही तर बाहेर जाऊन पितो.
अरे बाप look at this
किती कुठची बसायला.
look at this I am avoiding the loss to perfection, no mental drawdown, no mental this, look at this.
काही सगळं शांती चालू आहे. मध्येच क्रिएट केलं चहा
चाय हे जमतंय की नाही मला ऑडियन्स इट दिस
नाही तरी म्हणतोय चहा.
मग राव I love this currency. I love such kind of things which I am so beautifully into this. Signing off, boys. Will come back. Signing off. Again, zero trade I have taken. I'm just pretending that this and GBP USD have tweeted अजून. These two trades we have to.
तुला ते उद्देश दादा म्हणायचं तुला थोडं.
Signing off. Enjoy. अरे the camera ऐसा होना चाहिए ना बेटा. अरे ये तो सब. Hey brother, look at this. Look at this. Ha! I haven't took this trade. They are just pretending that I have took this trade and look at this. I would end up. I'm like as a time passing by. So we need to clap hand for this because as a time and passing by, I'm getting so good in experience, so good in trading, that I can understand this roles. Look at this. Look at this. If I in morning, if I were took this trade, look at this drawdown. Look at this. Like, look at the bullshit thing. Look at this liquidity graph. Like, look at this. For what? Bullshit things. Then that is what I'm telling you. I'm getting so good in experience in trading every single day. Oh my god. Yeah, that's a bit louder. But just look at this. I'm getting so good in trading day after day. Euro USD, we have literally avoided the loss, the perfection. Still, our stop loss is not hit. Again, 0 trades I have taken. I am pretending that I am taking this trade. I'm pretending that I am taking this trade, and yeah, just look at this. We were about to hit our stop loss. Why to use the psychology, right? Euro JPY. I am waiting for the candlestick to close on this area of interest. If that happens, brother, will be very much good over there. I'm looking for sell, taking sell over here. Odd NZD, waiting for candlestick to close over here. Oh, GBPUSD, let's see what the look at this. Look at that, fuck. This is what I'm talking about. Look at the experience of I have avoided literally 2 losses in a row. Wow. Clap fucking hands for me. Right now, you watching, clap fucking hands for me, because from morning, again, this is a trade I haven't took. This is fuck, man. I got so good in trading. Very, very good. Well done. I have literally avoided the loss to the perfection. Look at this. This is a trade I was. If I were taken this trade, look at this. This was a loss. Okay, Euro USD, very high chances that it is also going to hit the stop loss, because these are the same currencies. Okay, on GBP CAD, what's up with the GBP CAD? There was no trade because the candle, we were waiting for the daily candlestick to close above this candle. GBJ, we haven't even closed. It's still in process. It's cooking. So look at this. Up till now, we have avoided technically 1 loss and 1 future loss. Euro USD is future loss, which is going to happen in tomorrow, and 1 loss is already happened, which is this GBP USD. I have taken the 0 trade, but I'm just pretending. Okay, if literally, to be honest, if this was the lower version of Uddesh, the older version, I would end up taking this trade. To be honest, so I just wanted to check this. Like, oh, what will happen if I have taken this trade? Just place the risk reward ratio. Place this 2 boxes over here. If we're going out of the red box, we hit the stop loss, we lost. GBPUSD, we have technically lost this. Look at this. This is what I'm saying, brother. I'm getting experienced. I'm getting more experience in this. Very, very, very good, Udesh. I'm proud of you. I'm coming back, my dear boys. I'm coming back. I'm just waiting for now. Yeah, this was an intraday trade I was going to take. I have stopped taking the intraday trades because that thing doesn't work at all. I really wanted to learn from the person who is doing intraday trades, that is Dovi FX and some intraday and scalper trade. I'm really going to learn from them. Right now I'm very good in swing trading. Let's continue to keep it. We'll go step by step. Once we make money in this swing trading, then I'm going to subscribe for this. I'm going to learn more information from Alex by purchasing his course and whatnot. Then after Alex, then I'm going to shift for more Dovi FX. I'm going to learn from him, and then after that we'll grow for crypto. My vision is big. The thing is, what we should do now, we should do the things which we are perfect in. So I want took this trade. I was like, yeah, this is if this is going to go up and whatnot. So I just placed the risk reward ratio tool and the stop loss is going to be this and whatnot. So I was like, yeah, this is going to go up. Let's see if what if we take this trade and are we going to make money or not. Look at this thing. That is what I'm saying. The intraday thing, it doesn't work in this strategy. It's just like it works for some time and then it just reverse. So that is the reason. Again, we haven't hit our stop loss. We're still in the trade. It will end up taking over here. Very high chance that it will go up. Very high chance because the 4 hours got bullish. It's like this. Like what it is making right now. It is where the risk reward ratio. Now the risk reward ratio. This is already star. Take look at this. Again, the table appears over here. Very weird stuff. So look at it. This is a up, this is a down, this is a up, this is down, this is up. It should create a down and then it is going to create up, right? Logical, right? Logic बोलते उसको क्या logic? It's all about logic, brother. Look at this. It's creating the higher low right now to go up, brother. I'm telling you. Today, it has closed like this. Tomorrow, it is going to close like this. Actually, it should close today over here on the area of interest. Tomorrow it should create a doji and day after tomorrow we'll be having the trade. But it is not happening the way we want. It is having the very less push to the upside. Okay, I don't care. I want candlestick to close either this candle, either in this currency or in this currency. When only and only when we got the closure, then and only then we will be taking a trade. There are two options over here. If this candlestick closed like this and the next day we got the doji, and over here we'll look into it. Are we having the area of interest? If yes, then we are going to take the trade from here to the downside. If no, I'm sorry, then I think I have to look into it. Stay tuned, signing off, enjoy. This is what it is like. I am getting so happy because of I avoided this 2 losses, which if I were the older version of the Uddish, I would literally take this. Literally. This, look at this. Like I'm getting ready for a bigger account. I'm fucking getting ready for a bigger account. You won't even believe. This is just a $100,000. This is just like a 9 million INR. Just only 9 million INR. I'm getting ready for 900 millions. And it will be just 900 million. Only 900 millions INR. Only. We will be learning there more and then we'll be grow more. I have full plan. New York, Dubai, USA, I'm coming towards you. I'm coming. Because look at this. What does this means? If we are not taking trade, that means we are also avoiding the loss. Look at this. This we have avoided the loss. Look at this. This we have avoided the loss. If I have took this trade, I would end up losing. So taking it, doing trading when there is no permission to do, you will lose more than you earn. So that is the reason. It is what it is. Stay tuned, signing off, enjoy. I came on terrace. I'm literally on the terrace. You want to see where I am? Oh. There is a phone is connected. Fuck it. No one gives a fuck. Alright, boys. Signing off. The phone is connected. I can tilt the laptop over here. So I came on terrace to upload the video, which is like a 25 GB. Just for you guys. Just for you. Signing off. Have a wonderful day. How to close this? Probably have to go. Signing off. But wait. We're getting good. We're getting good in trading every single day. Day after day. Signing off. Let's come back tomorrow. We'll see how it goes. Are we going to hit our take profit or are we going to hit our stop loss in Euro USD? We have done hitting our stop loss on GBP USD. day after tomorrow, there is very high chance that we're going to take the trade on Euro JPY. Signing off. Let's come back. Hello everyone, welcome back once again. Look at this. Oh wait, screen sharing is on, recording is on. Look at this. Not this. Oh, look at this. We have avoided a loss to perfection on Euro USD. Look at this. Look at this. Open your eyes and look at this. I have literally avoided the loss to the perfection. Every single thing was checked over here. Then why we have lost? Because that was not a good currency. Look at the risk reward ratio. It just don't even make sense. Also in a GBP USD, we have literally avoided a loss to the perfection on the GBP USD. Look at this. Like wow. I'm getting good in trading day after day after day. I'm a god of market. I'm a god of market. You won't even believe. Look at every single thing we got. The engulfing candle, the every single. But why in the world I haven't took this trade? Because guess what? It was good, but I was just focused on Euro JPY. But guess what? Now the thing is getting weird. The trade which I'm waiting for Euro JPY is now passing by. I'm waiting for the candlestick to close on this area of interest, and we can see it is not closing on the area of interest and it's just pushing to the downside, where I want to take the sell trade over here. Can we take the sell trade over here? That's a great question. We'll look into it, but not now. Tomorrow. Today is just a sideways day. It doesn't look good at all. If where my tool is, yeah, here we go. If this candlestick close below this 1 2 3 4, no, this we will not consider current. 1 2 3, yeah, if this candlestick close below this candle, yeah, done. We'll be taking a trade over here. That sounds great, isn't it? We'll be having the 4 hours bearish. The 4 hours is going to get bearish, and we'll be having a retracement. This looks good if it is having the things which we wanted it to happen. But if this candlestick haven't closed below this box, we'll wait for this candle to close on over here. Look at this. This is what we are waiting for. An odd NZD. I am waiting for this candlesticks to close on this area of interest. That's it. I'm waiting for it. I'm still waiting for it. GBP JPY. What's up, GBP JPY? It is. I'm also waiting for. I'm not going to take the trade over here, but still I'm waiting for the candlestick to close on this box, or this candlestick to close below this candle to not take the trade, because there is no area of interest over there. So the only trade makes sense is Euro JPY, where we're waiting for the candlestick to close below this candle. That's it. That right there is only it. It is so simple. We just need to wait for the things to happen, and we're just going to make money like anything. Because making money is a skill, losing money is also a skill. If you are good in your skill, you're good in whatever you wanted to do. This looks so brilliant. If this candlestick close, brother, that is what I'm saying. On Wednesday, there is a very high probability of taking the trade tomorrow in Euro JPY. Stay tuned for it. So also I just wanted to talk about this for next 10 seconds. I was correct. I have done this losses up till now, which is minus 7.1, 7.2%
It's
loss.
11 o'clock.
I've done it just because of me. There was a proven track record, proven plan, and I was going out of the plan, where there is no proven profit. There is a proven loss. That makes sense. I just come up with, again I want to repeat this. There is a plan which is saying that there is a proven profit in this plan. But if I'm going out of the plan, there is a proven loss out of the plan. I'm literally going to create the video from the day which I started doing the losses and up till now, because I want to review and recap what goes wrong, what my thought process was, why in the world I have think to take the trade by going out of the plan, where there is a proven loss is there. Why? Like what makes sense? That is the reason I'm just going. I can do one thing. Like I can just now I have the best part is I have recorded every single thing. The way I'm recording this video, the same exact way I have recorded when I was executing the trades. I have recorded. I have recordings and also uploaded on YouTube. So the thing is, I can literally go and check it. So pretty much what I'm going to do, I'm not just going to download that video, create the video of this, and then merge edit text. No. I don't have time for this. I'm just going to again start recording the video and literally going to go like this on the channel and literally going to play the video, see what goes wrong, literally like a live thing. Okay, so pretty much if I want to show you live trading video, here we go. I will just check it out, like what goes wrong, what is not, what my thought process was for taking the trade, why in the world I was thinking about this and what not, just to get just to tell to my mind that yo, you have done a loss just because of you. You have gone out of the plan where there is a proven loss. Why in the world you've gone out of the plan? Why? I just wanted to figure out that why and wanted to work on that why so that I will not go out of the plan. That's it. So let's start. I will just close this and I will turn on again. That will the video where you will see I'm still a god of market. I've done the losses just because of no. I've done the losses not because of I am not a good. I'm not predicting the market good. I'm a predicting the market. I'm a very good analyzer. I'm very much good in predicting the market, but I'm not a good in trader. Because whatever am predicting, but I'm not acting the way it should be. That is where I need to work on, and I have done, and that is when we have avoided 2 losses. Beautiful. Let's do it. Let's start the video one. Hello boys, we are back. Look at this. I just checked the market. Look at this. Beautifully avoided loss again in GBP USD. Beautifully avoided loss. Look at this. So much big losses. And look at this. I'm just beautifully avoided. One more loss. 3 loss we have avoided by just waiting for the candlestick closure. And the 4th one is GBP JPY. Now here's the thing. In this GBP is going down. JPY is, I don't know. I don't care. So look at GBP JPY. This thing is going down. Okay. Now the noticeable thing is that this is a GBP JPY and this is Euro JPY. The JPY is common.
It's 7 o'clock.
If GBP JPY is going down, Euro JPY is also going to go down. That means it is adding one more chance, one more confluence, one more what we can say, like one more probability, one more percentage into our probability calculation that this trade is going to go down. Tomorrow I'm going to take the sell trade over here. Look, GBP JPY is going down. That means Euro JPY is also going to go down. Plus we are below this structure. Plus weekly shift of structure. Weekly got bearish. Like a lot of things. And this is going to happen. This right there is my brother is going to happen. Look at this. This is beautiful. I just want to tell you. I'm not going to take trade anywhere. I'm just going to take the trade on Euro JPY for this whole week, and that's it. Even odd NZD is also coming to the, as we were waiting for the area of interest, is also coming to the area of interest. Guess what? This is only Euro JPY. Is only the trade I'm looking into. So now we can discard this. Euro JPY is today's trade. Tomorrow at 6:30 we'll be looking for taking the entry, brother. Signing off. Tomorrow at 6:30 we gonna have to wake up. Signing off. We'll come back once. So let's start. Hi there, hi everyone. Wait, let me check. Screen is getting share. Mouse is visible. All right, boys, I'm actually creating the video in Mac, in laptop, and also creating the video in the phone. So at one time, EuroGPY beautifully avoided the loss because now it is taking load, because I was waiting for the candlestick. This candlestick have closed. I was waiting for the engulfing candle right there, but it haven't closed below this candle, so it has closed above this candle. So whenever we are above, we're buying, so we technically buy, right? So we gone up for next week. This week there will be no trade. Next week there will be also no trade. After that week there will be a trade. So there is no trading activity for this week or NZD. I have predicted this move to the perfection, like pinpoint. I've told like it is going to come up till here and then it is going to go up, which has happened, but I won't be able to take the trade because there was no candlestick closure on the daily, so no trade. GBP USD beautifully avoided the loss over here with the perfection, and technically no trading activity for this week. Next week also there will be no activity, but next to next week it will be activity over here. The same thing over here. Okay, so this is GBP JPY. Next week, not next week, next to next week we'll be having a trade in this. Up till now there is, I was waiting for this candle to close below this box, which haven't happened. No trade. Euro USD, look at this on Euro USD. This is like beautifully avoided the loss with the perfection. So yeah, it is what it is. I'm also working on my checklist. Look at this checklist. This is a checklist. Like, look at this. I mean, this is going to avoid the losses a lot. Like millions and millions of dollars is going to be get avoided. Like, if I were having this checklist 2 months before, I could easily avoid my $7,200 loss, which I have done from 2 months, right? So look at this. If I'm going to take the counter trade, I will click over here. If I'm going to buy or I'm going to sell, let's say I'm going to sell, I will be click on the sell, and I can show every single thing. And I'm also not going to reveal this. I'm also not going to sell this. It is super private. I'm just going to show one or two things, and that's it. Wait, let me just increase the exposure over here. So it is like does weekly is bullish? Oh yeah, weekly is bullish. We are taking the counter trade. That means from here to here I need to sell. So it is like a note. It's like does weekly is bullish? I will, if yes, then I click. If no, then we can't take the counter trade as a sell. So if weekly is bullish, I will click on this, then we'll go for the next. Then it's like do we have the weekly doji candle? Oh yes, we have. If we have, then we will be tick mark. If we don't, then we just can't go down. And guess what? It's just starting. I have every time frame checklist over here, as you can see. I'm not showing here to make you purchase or to sell this. No, of course not. I'm not here to sell this, because this is what my observation, my work from past 6 years, and I'm not going to sell this. It's going to be super private. It is going to be super private. Not a single person is going to be having access for this. And guess what? It's just a start. We have counter trade, we have weekly trade, weekly create a new structure. I'm also like I just got an idea about this in the morning. I'm just forgot about that. What I have noted down. So I will check that note. It's basically like counter trend, ultra counter trend trade. Let me type ultra counter trend daily and 4 hours. Basically, it is also having a checklist. Like every single thing, we will be having a checklist. Like we will never ever will do loss. What it means, it's not like we will never ever do loss. I want to reframe the things to the perfection. I will say like we'll never do a faltu loss. Will never do a loss which is not valid. That makes sense. That line makes sense. Will never do a loss which is not valid, because this is what I have done. I have literally created this, and I have full video also created. Like, I was checking, I was recapping every single thing, which I'm going to upload pretty much soon. Where it is, where recapping why we lost. This is what the trades we have lost. Every single reason I have. This was a wrong trade. This was an intraday trade, which is not even proven. How in the world I have took this? It's so piece of shit mistakes. This is like a wrong trade. Like, this was a misguidance. And if I were having this checklist, I would never ever take that trade ever. Guess what, brother? There was, if we look into this, and if I were having this checklist, I would literally, I will be honest with you, from December 20, what was that? Let me, I have whole data, like intraday once more. Here we go. December 3, December 1, December 5 will make this much amount of money, and on December 4 will make easily this much. Not even 3,000. I think so. We will be making 5,000. Yeah, 1:5. Yeah, 5,000. Not even 3,000. Will easily make 5,000. Which I missed this trade because I was not having the proper guidance. I don't have a friend. I don't have a mentor, so that I can ask like, hey mentor, I'm taking this trade. Is this trade is valid? Should I take this trade? Is this what we are looking into? I don't have that person. I don't have even budget to buy a mentorship of a trader. That is the reason I want a mentor to check into my trade. I've literally created a checklist for it. Seriously, whenever I will be taking the trade, I will just click on this buy. I mean, which model I'm using, counter train trade. Even if we're going for 10 trained trade, if I wanted to buy that train trade, which is what I'm working right now on, it's so simple. Weekly is bullish. Yeah, weekly is creating a higher low. Then I will just go on the chart right now, and if I am going to take the train trade, it is ping loading. So it is like, now this is the other type of model. We'll look into Euro JPY. This is also the other type of model. Look at this. I'm literally going to share the thing which I shouldn't share, but I will tell you. You're going to get the things which is don't want to share, but take it. Look at this. So look at this. We create a new structure. We have the retracement candle. Okay, so we are technically going to sell this, right? Sell this, but I haven't. Weekly is bearish. Weekly retracement candle. Oh, I have finished this then. Yeah, we have. I think so. In morning only I have finished. Not completely, but I'm working on it still. Okay, if I'm going to look at this, it is so simple. The recording is on, right? Yeah, the recording is on. And why I'm showing you, I'm technically not showing you. I'm just creating a video for me, just to save it. Look at this. So now this is the current trade. This is live, literally live market. So weekly have created a new structure. We are getting the retracement candle on the weekly. Okay, so I will just go on the trading checklist. So this is like a trend trade, because weekly got bearish, daily got bearish as well, and also 4 hours got bearish. So we are taking the sell trade. So if weekly, daily, 4 hours is bearish and we are taking the sell trade, bearish means all weekly is going down, daily is going down, 4 hours is going down. That means, and also we are taking the sell trade. That means our sell is equals to bearish. Simple. If weekly, 4 hours, weekly, daily, and 4 hours is bearish means it is going down, and we are taking the sell trade. That means we are taking the trend trade. We are trading with the trend. All currents, all time frames are going down, and we are selling. That means we are taking the trend trade. Why I'm teaching? Shouldn't be teaching. So let's go. So are we taking counter trend trade? No. Are we taking the trend trade? Yes. I'm clicking. So what trade I'm taking? Is it buy or is it sell? Oh, is it sell? Okay. So here I click on sell. So does weekly is bearish. Okay, we'll see. I want to show you guys. I also wanna click shoot a video because it's bit crazy. Like I have to transfer this video on from Mac on this. I hate that. Does weekly is bearish? So we'll see. Weekly is bearish. This is a lower high. No. Yeah, this is a lower high. This is a lower low. Okay, weekly is bearish. Tick mark. Then note we need weekly retracement and a doji candle on a weekly area of interest. Alright, so this is the area of interest. We'll go into it. We'll go step by step. Do we have weekly retracement candle? That means do we have such kind of candle? Oh, we are creating such kind of candle. Okay, we do have. That means tick mark. So next is, if I go on next, do we have weekly doji candle? We'll see. Oh, we don't have the weekly doji candle. That means we gonna have to wait for a whole week for the weekly doji candle to get formed. That means if this checklist, if this point is not getting tick mark, we can't just go down and follow the other step, follow the next step. Technically we can't take the trade, means we just can't take the trade. So as per the checklist, the next week is going to create the whole doji candle. That means a whole the doji candle is going to get created. Exact, like look at this. This is the exact same. This is we are right now creating this type of candle. Look at this. We're exactly creating the same thing. It's basically same repetitive thing. Look at this. So we are creating this candle, which is the next candle is going to be the doji candle, which is going to create a doji candle. And after creating the doji candle, then we'll tick mark over here, and then we'll go next step. If this two things is not tick mark, we just can't take the trade. And this is exactly the thing I were missing. How in the world I will be doing loss? I would never end up doing this 7,500 dollar loss. Literally, I would never, and I would end up making profits like anything, like this one, this 3 to 3,000, 2,000, 3,000, 11,000, 3,000. If I follow the exact same checklist, exact same setup, I will end up making this much amount of money in December, which I have made zero amount. And even eventually I have in December I have took the wrong trade, which is not even matter. Look at this, like why we lost over here. If we go over here and USD can there is no screenshot, so no, you can't understand, but I know it was a counter trend trade. So if we go on a CHF JPY, yeah, you can see over here, look at this. Just look at this. Like this is what I'm saying about. Look at this, was the wrong trade. Eventually I have came out to the break-in, because after I took the trade and after end of the week I have understand that, oh shit, this is a wrong trade, we should get out from this. So look at this, the trade I was taking when it was creating the doji candle. That means it is the counter trend trade. When the weekly was bullish and we were taking the sell trade. Okay, we'll go on this checklist. Okay, so this is not a trend trade, this is a counter trend trade. We'll click on this, and what we were taking the sell trade. Okay, we'll click on the sell trade. Man, this is going to be help me a lot, man. Like wow, seriously. Okay, first thing is, does weekly is bullish? Okay, I think so. Yeah, weekly is bullish, creating the higher high and the higher low. Okay, we'll click on this. That means this point is checked. We can go to the next point. Do we have weekly doji candle? And at a certain point I have took the trade when this candle was getting created. Okay, that means if we just look into it, this candle was closed and this doji candle was getting prepared. That means I haven't, that means we were not having the doji candlestick, we were creating the doji candlestick. That means if I that so what checklist, what the next question is, do we have weekly doji candle? We were not having the doji candle, we were not having the weekly doji candle because we were creating the weekly doji candle. So the thing will, this point will not get tick mark, and we just can't move further, for the next step. That means we just can't take the trade. If we won't be able to take, if we are not going to take this trade, we would literally easily avoid this loss. Exactly same thing in GBP. Look at this, look at this, look at this GBP. Nothing is so sideways like you. How in the world I have took this trade, man? Weekly, do we have the weekly, like now? I mean, this is bit crazy, you will not understand. This is like a bit advanced, but yeah, it is what it is. It is also bit advanced. It just don't have a take profit. That's the reason we have done the loss in intraday. Okay, this is the intraday. All right, so we'll go in our model. Do we have intraday? We don't have intraday, so we will definitely will not going to take the intraday trade. Why in the world I will be taking the trade and doing this $800 loss? And we have done for 3 times, 3 fucking flying fucking times. I would easily avoid losses, man, by just following the checklist. Like, this is going to be my next thing. I mean, just because I'm in a down of minus 7,200, yeah, it is 100% cause of me, because I was not following the trading plan which is proven to make money. I was going out of the trading plan which is proven to lose money, so I was losing money like anything. Yes, that is what has happened. Yeah, so now I am going to sticking to the plan which is going to make me money. And guess what, I'm the number one boy in the whole world. This is the number one in the 10 billion people. This is the only one guy is doing from the 10 billion people on the whole entire world. Look at this. I'm not going to share this, I'm not going to sell this, I'm not going to show this to anyone. It's going to be super private. Oh, I don't think so. I may be share this with my community. Maybe I will. I mean, I don't know. I'm just going to share this. Maybe I will share this with my gold membership, which is like paying me 2 crore rupees per month. Maybe. Again, that's maybe. So it is what it is. Signing off, boys. I'm also recording this into my vlog, because what is happening is I'm recording the things into my vlog, and I'm forgot to record the things into my laptop, because the laptop video is getting combined with and presenting as a trading series, a whole trading week, and this vlog is getting uploaded every single day. So it is like a bit hard to transfer the video from Mac to this. And problem is the recording which is I'm doing, it is not getting the output file is not getting match, not working in my phone. So more hard to edit the whole vlog with the Mac screen recording video with the vlog. So that is like separate. So I'm just like recording at the same place. Alright, boys, signing off. Right now I'm going to continue to create the checklist, which is now probably this, so which is going to be this, and then which is going to be this. Today at the end of the day I will be finishing this. It's bit I'm little bit taking time. I'm little bit so much cautious to create the checklist. And again, I'm not going to share this, I'm not going to sell this. So guys, signing off. I want to say a lot of good things, but we don't have time right now because it's 3:35 and also 95% battery. Fuck. Let's stay tuned. I've closed this. Signing off.